Yes.
My lordship, serial number 8. Serial number 8.
Yes.
Only time I need. So, madam going to be sitting.
Hearing in
I need for 1 week time I need for. So, matter going to be settlement.
Lords, I'm appearing for respondent in this case, my lords. There is a case going on in state commission, my lords. Last time also your lordship had directed to precipitate there, my lords. This is as the prayers in this writ doesn't come under the writ jurisdiction, my
We will
lords.
see then.
May be disposed of, my lords.
Petitioner is hospitalized. There's an petitioner is hospitalized. There's the reason I want to seek some.
No, petitioners
1 week,
hospitalized.
1 week time and finish the matters.
No, last time also this matter has come up.
No,
They have filed a vacate order.
The last
When
time-
is it? No, we'll not grant. Petition hospitalization has nothing to do because here is the advocate who will argue. And we will be looking at the maintainability of the writ petition. Yes.
Page number 3, serial number 9, 10. Page number 4, serial number 11 to 14. Page number 5, 15 to 22.
My lord, serial number 17, I am for the petitioner, my lords. 2 weeks may be granted, my lords.
Lord, I am for
There is a
respondent.
counsel.
I am for respondent. Copy, sir. Madam.
Copy not served.
Copy, not, sir.
I will serve, my lords.
At the request of learned counsel for the petitioner, is this matter after 2 weeks? Petition serves the copy of the writ petition on the counsel for the respondent. Yes.
Obliged.
My lords, serial number 19, my lords.
Serial number?
19, my lords. I'm for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lords, 2 weeks, my.
19. Why do you want 2 weeks time?
My lords, senior is inconvenient, my lords. He's not
25 writ petition, not even notice order. You who appear? You appear? We will see who is the respondent. At least we have to order notice.
Yes, my lord.
Wait till the matter reaches. Yes.
Page number 6, serial number 26 to 29.
Yes.
Can you have it next week?
Have you informed the other side? Please wait. They must be having their own agenda.
26, my lord. Serial number 26. I am for respondent. I will for others petitioners. Petitioner, my lord. Senior,
There will not have any agenda. There is a stay.
my lord. Senior not in station. Stay, my lord. Stay. Senior not in station, my lord.
Interim order earlier granted is extended. List this matter after 2 months. Yes.
Page number 7, serial number 13 to 30.
At the request of learned counsel for the respondent. Yes.
Serial number 31 and 31.1, my lords.
Hmm.
The council on record has expired, my lords. Joseph, my lords.
Joseph.
Yes, my lord. He's expired, my lords. Now I have instructions to appear in the matter. I'm yet to retrieve the file and file my wakalat, my lords. Seek 2 weeks time. My lords.
Health issues.
I heard that sudden heart attack, my lords. Yes.
Oh. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Much okay.
Interim order, it is submitted that the counsel for the petitioner is no more. List this matter after 4 weeks. Interim order earlier granted is extended.
My lord.
Page number 8, serial number 33.
33, my lord. Senior not in station.
I don't be opposed, my lord. In previous hearing also they sought adjournment.
My lord. Senior not in station. Kindly have it on Monday, my lord.
Then I'll grant interim order. Interim order. Interim order is there.
No, my lord.
We'll grant now.
My lord. Senior not in station. Kindly.
No, but on the last occasion also he sought for adjournment.
Yes.
We'll see when the matter reaches. Yes.
Page number 1, so for dismissal, serial number 1, 3 as per appeal.
Respond in this case, inflected the order, my lord. Please dispose the matter.
No, he filed an IA for correction of the order dated 29/7.
Inflected, my lord. Please kindly dispose the matter.
Who filed this IA?
Respondent.
You filed. What is this IA?
Inflection.
Let's see the IA. Where is it? You want an order of 29/7/2024 to be corrected.
It's already over it.
Where is that order? Order impugned before this court passed in, but the principal judge rated is set aside. Consider the review petition as expeditiously as possible. Why the order has to be reviewed? The order was. What is this? No, court has allowed the writ petition, set aside the impugned order. You say there is a typographical error, it should be corrected as order passed on I number 3 is confirmed. Why should I do it?
That's why I already inflected, my lord.
It's not instructions. Are you not supposed to,
Yes.
is it a review?
Kindly, ma'am, dispose the matter. Otherwise,
I number 1024 is filed seeking to correct the order dated 29/7/2024. It is stated that the typographical error had taken place in the order and the operative portion of the order be substituted corrected as the order passed on I number 3 in execution number 56 of 2023 by the Principal Judge Family Court Mysore dated 3/1/2024 is confirmed. This court, by order dated 29/7/2024, has set aside the order passed in execution number 56 of 2023. And this court is not able to understand why that what is a typographical error in the order. Hence, there are no grounds. Accordingly, I number 1024, which is filed seeking correction of the order dated 29/7/2024, is dismissed. Next to
Till number 2, Ekaimina Srikanth.
Lordship, I am appearing for petitioner, my lord. We have concluded our argument in last week only, ma'am. If you have again argument, we kindly have it on 3, my lord.
who will say if there is anything else? It's for the court. If the court feels you require to argue, you will come.
Okay, my lord.
Yes. What is this?
Application under section 24 is being challenged by the husband, my lords. Husband, prior to that, the
What
conjugal
is husband is before this court or the wife?
husband is before this court,
What was the amount granted?
12,000.
What is the salary of the husband?
26,000 as per, he has not revealed it, as the court has come into conclusion by seeing his
It's only the wife or the child is also there?
wife and child, my lords.
Please come to the order.
He is not paying the education expenses also.
Let's see the
His minor
order.
is 10 years old. Page number 31 can be seen.
30.
1. Para number 12. In fact, conjugal rates also has been ordered, my lord, but he has not
Filed by the wife.
filed. Child is in now in 10th standard. He's not looking after even the education expense also.
Please come. Agreed with the order passed in I number 5 in MC number 4602 of 2022 dated 19th February 2024 by so and so. The husband is before this court. The MC is filed by husband.
Husband, this,
Husband has filed MC number 4602 of 2022 seeking divorce. In that, I number 5 is filed, claiming interim maintenance of an amount of rupees. IA number 5 is filed by the wife under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, seeking interim maintenance of 50,000 to her and to her son, and also litigation expenses of rupees 30,000. In view of when was the MC for restitution is filed?
Lord's MC number
marriage between the-
1097 of 18, page number 30.
Marriage between the parties had taken place on 31/12/1997. Page number?
30. MC number 1097 of 18.
The wife had filed MC number 4602 of 2022, seeking restitution of conjugal rights.
No, 1097.
4602.
1097 of 2018.
It is at page number 30.
30.
What is page number 30 is MC 4602.
No, they have mentioned, my lords, the MC number in the judgment.
Oh, in that it is mentioned.
1097 of 18.
MC number 1097 of 2018, seeking restitution of conjugal rights.
Judgment was passed.
And the same came to be decreed on
18/1/23.
18/1/23. But the husband has not joined the wife
No.
and he has filed a petition seeking divorce. It is a case of the wife that she is not in a position to maintain herself. Husband is doing tailoring and is having enough resources. In spite of that, he has failed to maintain the wife. The court had considered the bank statement and also the fact that there is a regular inflow of money, 25,000 from SRNOME Private Limited every month. And there is an amount of rupees 61,600 transferred from one Sachin Kumar. And the petitioner has not given any details with regard to these transaction. The court observed that there is a constant transfer of fund of rupees 25,000 every month. And that has to be taken as the income of the petitioner. His bank balance in Canara Bank till August 2023 was 2,03,606.95. If it is only agriculture income of rupees 5,000, after spending for the medical expenses and other expenses of his dependent mother, this amount of deposit, which every month petitioner receives, is not explained. It is stated that he has sold the property, but he had not produced any document which gives an adverse inference with regard to the income of the petitioner. The petitioner has stated that the husband has stated that wife is running a fancy store, but no document is produced in that regard. The court observed that no, the tailoring work is not of the husband. The wife had stated that she was doing tailoring work in the ground floor of the cloth shop of the husband earlier. The court observes that she can continue the same profession through which she was deriving income, but she cannot remain idle merely for the reason that her husband had not taken her back in spite of the decree. The court has further observed that if not the wife, the husband has a responsibility to take care of the child. Considering all these aspects, the court had granted 12,000 towards maintenance and an amount of rupees 15,000 towards litigation expenses. Next, land counsel appearing for the petitioner husband submits that though there is no material on record, what is the exact income of the husband? In spite of that, the court had granted an amount of rupees 12,000 as maintenance. It is further submitted that the wife is doing tailoring work and having sufficient income. This
Presently,
aspect was also,
presently she is not doing, my lord, she is suffering.
that's
from
a
asthma.
contention, which was not considered by the court. It is further submitted that the wife who is having the income is not entitled for maintenance. Further, the amount of maintenance that is awarded by the court is on the highest side, and the same needs to be set aside. Next para. Land counsel appearing for the respondent while submits that though a decree of restitution was passed, the petitioner, the husband has not taken the wife back. Further, the wife is not having any source of income. There is nothing on record to show that she is having any income, much less sufficient income. It is submitted that it's a duty of the husband to take care of the wife and the child when they are not in a position to take care of themselves. The court had rightly granted the maintenance basing on the evidence to show that there is a regular inflow of a specified amount in the account of the husband, and there are no grounds to interfere. Next, having heard the counsels on either side, there is a material on record. Though it is a case of the husband that he is not having a specific income, the court had considered the statement of the bank account that is placed before the court, which shows there is a constant flow of regular income in his account, which is not, for which the petitioner, the husband could not state from where that amount is coming in the said account, considering the said aspect. And also, he has a responsibility to take care of the child. The court had granted 12,000 in the considered opinion of this court. For the child is aged about?
Now 10th standard, my lord.
Huh?
Like around 16 years now.
Is 16 years, and the wife is unemployed. Considering the educational expenses and for other maintenance, the amount of maintenance, the amount of 12,000 that is granted towards maintenance, 15,000 towards expenses, towards litigation expenses is a reasonable amount, and this court do not find any reasons to interfere. Accordingly, dismissed.
Till number 3 for orders. Leela P.
Your
for
Lordship.
petition.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I appear for petitioner, my lord. I filed a memo for withdrawal because I challenged the sale notice, Your Lordship. Now it is because thereafter sale is conducted. Property is auctioned, my lord. It will not survive.
memo is filed seeking to withdraw the writ petition. Memo is taken on record and dismissed as withdrawn.
Grateful. Ma'am.
Grateful,
Yes,
my lord.
court.
Number 4. Bhavana.
Yes. Have you served the copy of the caveator?
My lordship.
You are the caveator.
Yes, ma'am.
No representation for the petitioner on behalf of the petitioner.
My
This
lordship,
is matter for
matter may be
dismissal.
dismissed as there's an alternate dispute, there's a remedy.
No,
So
that's
we can
true. Petition is not here. This is matter for dismissal on 13th of February.
Till number 5. Rajaya V.
List after service of notice.
Till
No,
number 6.
no. List is for dismissal on 13th. Yeah, no representation. Yes, 6.
Till number 6.
You appear for the respondent.
HV
Mr.
Balaprakash.
Vignesh Shetty submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent. Is there any stay in this matter?
Stay is not there. That's it. Interim order is not complied, my lord. This honorable court granted interim order subject to
For
deposition.
dismissal on 13th, no
Is-
representation for dismissal on 13th. Yes,
Cell number 7.
Before.
Number 7.
Petitioner, my lord, there is a valid insurance policy, my lord. Still,
why the name of the advocate is not mentioned in the, who was appearing in the writ petition? I mean, in the MFA? They're getting the file. We'll take up once the file comes, before 12.
Cell
Yes.
number 8. Cell number 8.
Hearing for respondent in this.
Venkatraman.
Counsel for the respondent is present, no representation on behalf of the petitioner. List this matter for dismissal on 13th. Yes, 9?
Cell number 9.
appearing for petition.
Number 1.
Yes. Whom you want to implead?
Already a director of the company. There are two directors. One of the directors is the petitioner before this court. And another director, last time they objected and therefore on the suggestion of the court.
No, first of all, what is this writ petition about?
Yes. But the petition is, normally there were, is.
Set aside the communication sent by the bank, 18/1/2019. What is that communication?
One second. But the petitioner was a there were two companies. One is
No,
Green Logistics.
No, 1 minute. Under, what is this communication received? Why should we?
I have deposited rupees 55 lakhs in my personal capacity. And I have lifted the movables at the request of the bank. The property was sold by the bank under the Surface Act. And they wanted to hand over the property. We have no objection. They were handed over, also recovered 16.5. That is fine. Now, before handing over, they issued a letter saying that there are certain movables in that premises, furniture and all that. You lift that. Then I went, my lord, otherwise we will lose it. Then I went and asked them to permit me to lift it. Then they said, give some security of some third party claims and all that. Then I gave them the security of rupees 55 lakhs. It is in 2019-16.
For taking the movables.
Taking the movables. Now nobody has made any claim. Now when I asked for return of it, it was only by way of abundant caution for some time, for 6 months or so. Now what they say is, you get the concurrence of the other director also of your company.
Is it given on behalf of the company or in your independent
That is the
individual
question.
capacity?
That is the question. That is the question.
Now
You are-
they have filed an impleading application. The impleading application, my lord, is served on me. If they make me as a party, my lord, I'll file a detailed objection. But I am the other director.
You have the objection?
I have the objection. I have given the objection to the bank. That
Where
is
is
why,
it
my
IA?
lord, IA number
Very,
1 of 25.
in this notice is ordered.
A notice was
Yes, he is
ordered. I
representing.
was served with not the notice.
If he has no objection, let it be allowed.
No, he has objection.
He
No,
has
so-
objection not for impleading.
Not for impleading.
Ah.
He has objection.
Impleading,
for
I have no
withdrawal.
objection.
IA number, so and so, 1 of 25. The land council, Shashidhar,
I am for R1.
HS Prashant.
HS Prashant.
Land council, Mr. HS Prashant. You have filed wakalat.
I have filed
Wakalat for the implead petition. It is submitted that they have no objection to implead themselves in the writ petition. I number 1 of 25 is allowed, and and by impleading him as respondent number
2.
Respondent number 2.
2.
Land council appearing for the respondent number 2 submits that he wants to file his objections. When do you want?
Next week, no.
Yes,
Check
let's
to my
on
friend serving copy.
13th. Yes.
Not on 13th, 14th, no.
14th is Saturday.
Oh, please. Then 12th.
Because court is not regularly sitting. It's only possible on Friday when I come for the sitting.
Please,
Yes.
my friend should serve a copy on me. I'll request.
Still in council, the petition, so the copy of the
I mean,
red petition on the council for this.
permitted to amend.
The petition shall carry the necessary amendment to the cost title.
Please.
Which one? State Bank of India, who appears?
I appear for respond.
He
State Bank
appears.
of India. R1.
MR Shashidhar is
Please,
there.
please.
Yes, next.
It is for that.
Next.
Cell number 10.
But there is an application
My
for
lords.
vacating the stay, my lord.
My lords, I appear for the petitioner in this matter. My lords, I'm led by senior counsel. My lords, I couldn't secure his presence today. He's not keeping well. May I request for a week's time, my lords?
Lord, they are enjoying the stay for last over a year, my lord. Now, I'll just tell your lordship what is their case. Lord, 35 cents of land is mortgaged in favor of the bank, my lord, against a loan which they have taken. Her father and her brother has taken. Now, my lord, her case is that apart from the 35 cents, she has 2 cents apart from that. Where that 2 cents is, nobody knows. She says, I got it through my will of my grandfather. Will is not produced anywhere, not even before your lordship. Now, because of her claim that she has 2 cents over and above 35 cents, Lord, our recovery is stopped. Now we have, Lord, auctioned the property.
When is it?
There is already
Is the
in
interim order?
February 2025.
My lords, I am
And
the,
this application which we have filed is in March 2025.
Let's see, where is that? February 2025.
my lords, I am the owner of 2 cents of lands on the western
Please
portion.
wait, please wait. Let me look at what is the order passed.
Lengthy order is passed.
No, the sale is conducted.
Sale is conducted. Now
You appear for the auction purchaser.
he has paid the entire money. Now he is not able
What
to
was the
get a
amount
sale
paid?
certificate.
8 crores and some change.
My lords, I am the owner of 2 cents of
So
land.
whatever it is, when
Please,
you
ma'am.
have an interim order and the entire proceedings are stalled by virtue of this interim order, you should be ready when the matter is
Please, my
listed.
lords, matter.
I am
Today
submitting
he is
this, my lord.
not keeping well, my lords.
Except
I
35
couldn't-
cents, my lord. If she has 2 cents, let it be.
I'll take it up this matter on 13th.
On 13.
13th.
Please, my lords.
At the request of Land Counsel to the petitioner, list this matter on 13th. Land Counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that. Though the sale is conducted and the auction purchaser has filed, has paid the entire amount, they could not issue the sale certificate in view of the interim orders passed by this court. Just on 13th, no further adjournments will be granted.
And my IA for Impleading may be allowed, ma'am.
Your,
I'm not for the auction purchase.
where is your IA? IA 3 of 25
25.
is filed by the auction purchaser to implead them in this writ petition, considering the fact that in view of the orders passed by the court, though sale is conducted, sale certificate is not issued, is the necessary party to this writ petition. Accordingly, IA number 3 of 25 is allowed and so and so is implemented as respondent number.
Four, my lord.
Respondent number 4, necessary, the amendment to the cause title shall be carried out by the petitioner by the next date of hearing.
My lords.
Keep your-
Interim order to
In,
continue, my lords.
And only in first petition, in other petitions you have not filed,
My lords, only in the first petition.
only in first petition.
My lords.
Lord, the other petitions are by the borrowers, my lord.
Oh.
They can't, Lord, they can't file petitions here. They have to go to the, Lord, DRT.
My lords, interim order to continue, my lords.
Yes, it will continue.
Connected matter 10.2 may also be taken on the same day. 10.2, serial number 10.2 connected. Will be taken.
All matters, all matters.
Obliged.
Cell number 11. 11. Take Kirti. Business Shetty for respondent.
Yes.
The question, the possession notice. Now this honorable court entered the interim order to with condition to deposit a 5 lakhs rupees that has been deposited. Now your lordship,
What is the outstanding amount?
now outstanding is that your lordship on installment basis, I am excess made a payment. Now also almost 99 installments were due. Now I am payment of excess of 3 lakhs 2,702. Your lordship, my statement.
Hmm. No, what is the statement?
Bank statement, your lordship, after making the payment of the 5 lakhs rupees in first page, your lordship, cleared bank.
What is the outstanding as of
Outstanding
today?
is that 14 lakhs 46,201 rupees.
Huh. So what do you want?
Now let them regularize, your lordship, because on the basis of the installment.
For regularizing the amount, account, what is the amount to be paid?
No, I already made a payment of excess payment of 3 lakhs.
So,
No, my lord, in fact, my lord, I have to.
get instructions if he has paid. If you can regularize the account, you
Have
can.
it, my lord, in respect of regularization, my lord, I'll take an instruction, my lord, have it on this Friday.
Land counsel for the respondent shall get specific instructions with regard to the regularization of the account of the petitioner, as it is stated that to regularize the account, he has paid the entire, in fact, he has paid already paid the excess amount. Yes, next week? Yes, 13.
Number 12,
I'm the respondent, my lordship.
Nagesh Vinay.
Yes.
My lordship, I placed two memos, one about the petitioner mother's Supreme Court. She filed a
Feedback.
SLP.
The flag here. Huh.
She filed an SLP in the Honorable Supreme Court challenging the interim for the Christmas vacation, my lordship. It came to be dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Where is that order?
My lordship, I filed a memo on 22/1/2026.
22/1?
2026.
Where do you get that? Look at it. 1 minute.
Oh.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, what do you say?
By please, Your Lordship. Lordship, now we are giving visitation rights to the father as well, my lord. But however, he is claiming whenever the mother makes attempt to.
Complied with the order that is passed by this court earlier.
Please, my lord, please, my lord. Father took the child, my lord, overnight custody.
I have placed another
He
memo
has
of
extended overnight
compliance.
custody as well.
Was it granted?
Yes, my
Was
lordship.
that complied? So
Yes,
you have to go step by step.
Yes.
So that order, what is passed earlier is already
Complied and
complied with.
successful. My child is very comfortable with me.
So now there are 4 writ petitions before this court. WP 30128 is filed by
Mother, my lord.
seeking, questioning what?
Questioning the vacation custody, 50% vacation custody given to me, including overnights in that one.
And now that has become infructuous.
No,
now.
my lordship, that is a recurring overnight
Yes, that
vacation
we will
custody.
consider.
There is a
Next.
stay on that because there is a Niman civil.
We will dispose it of now. WP 14353 of 2025. Who filed this?
I filed it, my lordship.
Questioning what?
That was asking for, that is a common order on the full interim custody of my son, that is IA number 3. IA number 4 asking weekend overnights and daily access between 2 to 8 p.m. That was my prayer. Now I'm getting the daily, for 2 hours I'm getting, my lordship. The overnights part is not there, my lordship.
So this is IA number?
3 and 4 common order. IA number 4 is the visitation related one.
So you have questioned IA number 4?
Yes, my lordship. And
then WP 14361?
That was for the injunction, which has been relaxed, letting the mother to go outside Bangalore, but within the jurisdiction of Karnataka. Though that.
You won't even let her go?
No, my lordship, let her go, my lordship. I have no problem. As long as I'm getting to see my son, I'm happy.
We will discuss this. Next. WP 14503?
That is filed by the mother challenging the visitation orders, my lordship.
Which visitation order?
IA number 4 visitation.
You have question 3, they have question 4.
No. I have questioned the 3 and 4. They have also questioned 3 and 4.
So first of all, we'll take up WP 14353 and 14503 arising out of the same order.
Yes, my lordship.
Yes. Give that file.
But all these writ petitions were disposed of on 26 June 2025. 26 June 2025, all these writ petitions were disposed of, my lord. Then
Review
the
is in,
husband,
no, review is in which cases? In all the cases review?
please, my lord, all the cases, all the matters were connected, my lord. He has filed review petition in 14503 and all these connected matters.
No, 12.1, 2 and 3 is the review.
Please, my lord, 12.1, 2 and 3 is the review.
Yes, take that. Where is that order passed earlier? 12 point, where is order? There must be an order. Give that order.
26/6/2025.
14503-353-365. Yes. So come to the operative portion of the order which you sought review.
In the family court.
Operative portion.
Yes, my lord. My lordship, the operative portion is that the father is entitled for interim custody of the minor child rhythm MS between 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
No. Operative portion is every day whenever the medicines are given. That order, review order I'm asking.
There, my lordship, the
First come to that order.
um, Yes, my lordship.
Read.
Every day, whenever the medicines are given to the child in the morning and in the evening, the mother can record a video and send it to the father on a daily basis.
So, nothing with this order, you are not seeking review. This.
No, my only limited only for
Next,
visitation. That's all.
On the festival that are celebrated in the family, the father is entitled for the interim. This also,
I'm
no
happy
modification is
with that, my
required.
lordship.
As it is difficult for the mother to compel the birth of the age to speak to the father through video call between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., it is modified as long as the boy is comfortable.
My lordship, with the daily visitations, we both have decided not to exercise this because it will be again one video call, as long as the daily is considered, it is discontinued, my lordship.
That we will say discontinue that.
We will discontinue only when there is a prolonged custody with the mother. I will need to speak to my son. That's the only thing.
That we will modify.
Mother is traveling on a weekend when the father has written, she has to inform. As long as information is given, I'm happy with that, my lordship. The father shall be informed about the school activities, parent-teacher meeting with regard to this. All these things, I'm happy with that also, my lordship.
What do you want now then?
My lordship, for the visitation, in my prayer in IA number 4, I was asking for the overnight custody during the weekend.
The first writ petition is for?
That is for the overnight custody, and in that, my lordship, my prayer, I may read that prayer in that one, my lordship. Because,
if in the other writ petition.
14503 is regarding.
First writ petition.
Yeah, that is 14353 and 14503.
30128.
That is the subsequent writ petition for the vacation custody, my lordship, holidays, that one.
Yes. So now what do you want in this?
In which one? 30128?
No, this
in this one. My lordship, in this, my only limited request to this honorable court is that I have asked for the weekend overnight custody, my lordship. Now he is comfortable. He has come already and stayed. So that can be, it is there in my prayer also. The honorable family court judge, what she has observed is that the child is small. It may be too difficult for the father to take care. That is what she has observed. I have also filed multiple affidavits stating that my parents live with me. My mother is also there. I can take care of. And recently we had a 2-day overnight and he was very comfortable with me, my lordship. So, and also he is asking me, my lordship, now he is telling when will we celebrate New Year, because my previous overnight was on New Year. So he thinks New Year means I can sleep with, means in the father's home and all. He is also very comfortable. So that only limited prayer. That's
yes, Mr. Counsel.
My lord, as far as overnight custody is concerned, he has to pass evidence test, my lord. He is not leading his evidence before family court, my lord. On the last date of hearing before family court, he has filed a memo to defer the evidence, my lord. He is keep on prolonging this matter before High Court, my lord. Let me complete.
Yes.
He is filing IA of one after the IA, my lord, before this court,
no, what
seeking
we do
enactment
is,
of.
1 minute, Mr. Davis. Now, whatever the arrangement that's going to be made now, you are not going to move any IAS hereafter, and you should proceed with the evidence.
My lordship, regarding the evidence, since the Niman's evaluation was pending, which is a third-party neutral evaluation, because my lordship, they are challenging in the Supreme Court
please
also.
Understand.
Yes, my lordship.
Now the court is asking the order.
I will proceed with evidence.
Passing the order. Now forget about the NIMHANS.
Okay.
That's their apprehension. Now the court is granting you. So forget about NIMHANS and proceed with the trial.
Yes, my lordship. I will do that.
Yes, Mr.
Please, my lord, let him comment the evidence
What do
before
you
the
think
family.
about the overnight custody?
My lord, overnight custody is concerned, we have mother is having certain apprehensions, my lord. Kindly have it on 13th, my lord. I'll get instructions from your mother. Then we'll put the quietus to this writ petitions and we'll proceed with the family
And
court.
tell the mother, things will never happen like the manner in which she wants. It will
No,
happen
not
in
at all, my lord.
excess.
Not at all. We are giving visitation as far as the father is entitled,
You
my
are
lord.
giving
But it is
visitation
bringing
because
some.
your SLP is dismissed. Otherwise, why would you give? As if don't tell the court that mother is voluntarily doing things. This is matter on 13th. This is matter on 13th. By the time when counsel for the mother shall get specific instructions with regard to the overnight custody, or else the court will pass orders on the merits of the matter.
Much.
Yes.
Till number 13.
For responding.
In this, give that first restriction 30228. 1 minute. What is it? Yes. Next.
Sale number 13. Rohit Sequera.
Yes.
For respondent, my lord.
Next.
Outstanding
Is there any
dispute.
interim order in this?
No, my lords. They are
What is
challenged
it?
13 to notice, my lord.
13-2.
Yes.
No representation. Is this matter for dismissal on 13?
Obliged.
Sale number 14.
Counsel for the respondent is present. Yes, 14.
Appear for
Number 14.
petitioner.
Karyan.
Yes.
Lord, there was a direction to the respondents to file statement of objections in this case. So far, they have not filed any.
My lord, I need some more
objections.
time, this matter, because my lord, sale certificate issued in the year of 2013. Sale certificate issued, my lord, which is a sale before this honorable court.
No,
In the
this
year of-
matter has come up on 17-12, Mr.
That's
Vignesh.
true, my lord. In fact, my lord, it was in State Bank of Mysore. I'm not able to, my lord, 13 years before. My lord, we are trying to, my lord, proper branch now. My lord, kindly see the relief.
You have an
sought
interim order in your favor?
No, there is no.
Lord, kindly
Now,
see the-
my lord, the site is not available. Though sales certificate is issued. I have made efforts, my lord. I have approached them, my lord, even the consumer forum, my lord, in the initial, my lord, passed an order award, which was challenged by them before the state forum on technical grounds. That is, consumer forum has no jurisdiction to decide upon. Therefore, liberty was reserved by the state forum to
Then when will you
avail.
file your objections?
My lord, I need, my lord, at least 4 weeks time. The reason is this. My lord, kindly come to, my lord, page number 71, as held before this honorable court. In that, my lord, my lord, in the sale certificate is mentioned that, my lord, I have handed over the possession of the property also. That is by, my lord, State Bank of Mysore, my lord, in the year of 2013, 13 years before. No, my lord, after 13 years.
Shall we have it in the month of March?
Please.
A list this matter on 4th March. By the time the respondent shall file their objections.
Would be on 3rd, my lord.
Already,
3rd March.
3rd of March.
3rd.
Already on 17/12/2025, this court has directed the respondents to file their objections. Till now, the same will not file. Yes, list on 3rd, or if the court will be constrained to pass.
Great, my lord. Deeply appreciated.
Listing on the.
Sale number 15. Hemant Rao and Sis Xavier.
Appear for the petition.
Lord, in this case, my lord,
I had filed an application for impleading, my lord, as an option purchaser, my lord. That was.
See first what it is. Yes.
But I only challenge the order of DRT issuing notice in the essay which I filed, my lord.
Why?
Because the interim order was not granted by the DRT, my lord. Ex parte ad interim order was not granted. Because there is a delay of 10 days in filing the appeal before the DRT.
You were questioned what proceedings before.
Sale notice which was issued, I have challenged that, my lord, before the DRT. Because there was a delay of 10 days, the DRT refused to
Now,
grant.
when this writ petition is filed?
Immediately after that order
No,
was.
18/12/2025.
17/12 is the date of order.
Any order in by this court?
There's no
refused to
interim
grant,
order.
refused to grant interim order by this honorable court.
There's no interim order, my lords. I'm admitting that. There's no interim order by this one.
Then what to do? Pursue it before the
My lord, in
trial.
this case, my lord,
I'll leave it to
even my lord, the prayer sought before this honorable court, direct the respondent not to confirm and not to issue sale certificate. Sale certificate was issued prior to filing of the writ petition on 1/12/2025.
Please come.
My lord, sale certificate is also registered.
The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. It is a grievance of the petitioner that the DRT has not considered his application for stay, as he has come with a delay of 10 days. As such, is constrained to file this writ petition before this court. Land counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that the reliefs that are sought before this court are to set aside the daily order dated 17/12/2025 and also to quash the sale notice,
And C, prayer C.
and the other prayer is not to confirm the sale. It is submitted that they have, the sale certificate is issued, registered,
Issued prior to filing of the writ.
issued prior to filing of the writ petition, and the same is also registered. Possession is given.
Possession has been taken in 27/1/2025.
Possession was
Physical
taken on
possession was taken 1 year back.
2025, and the same is handed over to you?
No, ma'am.
Not handed over.
Only sale certificate was registered.
Registered by-
Possession they have paid.
And but they have not given the possession to the auction.
Auction purchaser. Certificate has been
There is
registered today.
counsel appearing for the an implead petition is filed on behalf of the auction purchaser. The relief has sought for before this court. This court, the relief as sought, this court is not inclined to entertain this petition. And the petitioner can pursue the pending essay before the DRT. As this court is dismissing the writ petition, now at this juncture, impleading the auction purchaser is not necessary. If he is aggrieved, he can approach the DRT and implead himself in the pending essay. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to prosecute the pending essay.
Also,
Seven.
serial number 7. Pass over.
Who appeared in that matter?
My lord, may I make one submission, my lord? My lord, in fact, this honorable court has directed the respondent to produce the lower court records, my lord. But mischievously, they have submitted before this honorable court that the lower court records not available.
1 minute. Huh? No, who are the respondents? Insurance company?
Yes, ma'am.
Insurance
Please, ma'am.
company is represented by whom? Let's print his name.
It's a,
Insurance company is fourth respondent.
no, insurance company was the petitioner, my lord. Insurance company was the petitioner in
Who
MFA. my
appears
lord.
for the,
It's a AM Venkatesh, my lord. It's shown in the order.
who is not? What is the name?
AM Venkatesh, my lord.
Print the name of Mr. A.M. Venkatesh, in the cause list. List is matter on 13.
My lord, may I make one submission, my lord? Lord, now the warrant has been issued against me, my lord. Though there is a valid insurance policy I have placed before this honorable court, my lord. They have filed an execution, my lord.
A review petition is filed. You are the owner of the vehicle.
Yes, my lord. Please, my lord.
It is a review petition is filed stating that without notice to the owner of the vehicle, they must have filed a petition to dispense with. Look at the file. Any petition is filed seeking dispensation of notice to owner of the vehicle.
That is paper publication is taken in respect of R4 and it is sufficient to paper publication. R4.
How can you say then that notice is not served on?
My lord, I have not received the notice at my house, my lord. My lord, in fact, in the order,
It will not be sent wherever your house is. It will be sent to where the address is mentioned.
my lord, I may make one submission, my lord. This honorable court, my lord, has directed the insurance company, a respondent in the MFA, my lord, to produce the lower court records, my lord, but they have submitted.
List the name, print the name of Mr. A.M. Venkatesh, list this matter on 13. That day I'll pass orders.
My lord, the matter
If
is
the
coming
review
up on
petition,
6th,
there
my
won't
lord.
be any stay like this.
Lord, there is a valid insurance policy that I have produced before this honorable court. That was
I can understand if the notice is not served. Notice is served.
My
It is self-sufficient.
my lord, may I make one more submission, my lord?
I will pass orders on 13, Mr. Counsel. I cannot pass an order in the review. Yes.
6th is the matter, my lord, which is coming
Print the
before
name of Mr. A.M. Venkatesh, list the matter on 13.
That 7 page. Dealing.
Yes, so and so, dealing so and so.
My lord, the warrant has been issued, my lord.
We can't help it. Yes.
Preliminary hearing matters. Cell number 16. Cell number 16.
Give that.
Loganand Raju.
There was no representation on 30/10/2025. Direct the matter to be listed in the month of December 2025. Today, when the matter is listed, today also there is no representation. List this matter for dismissal on 13. Yes.
Cell number 17 adjourned. Cell number 18. Cell number 18.
Was petitioner, blood.
Yes.
Nandish Patil.
Lord, the respondents, my lord, are borrowers. My lord, they defaulted, my lord, the account became NPA. My lord, subsequent to which, my lord, 13 to 13(4) notice were
What is the
issued.
relief you are seeking?
My lord, here, my lord, we are seeking for, my lord, section 14, my lord, we had approached the learned magistrate. Your lordship may kindly see page 27. my lord.
Why, which magistrate regularly, I think this is the third petition you are filing.
Please, my lord.
Same judge?
No, it's different.
Why it
It's
is
a matter
happening in
of
your
20
case only?
My lord, your lordship may kindly see page 27, my lord. Initially, my lord, the learned magistrate was pleased to pass a detailed order, my lord.
20
wherein-
page number?
Page 27, please.
Unfortunately, there are no page numbers here.
Lord, we have put a seal, my lord. Page number seal is there.
Where are the page numbers?
On the top, my lord, there is a seal in every
From
page.
00023.
Please, my lord, please.
Uh,
27, please, my lord.
Let's please read.
My lord, the magistrate, my lord, was pleased to allow our petition, my lord.
Hmm.
This order shall be enforced by the petitioner bank only after complete lifting of lockdown restrictions. And further, my lord,
When is
court
this
commission.
order passed?
2021, my lord.
Why are you questioning it in 2020?
Please, my lord, I will say, my lord, this order, my lord, court commissioner was also appointed. Subsequent to which, my lord, we have made application. My lord, your lordship may kindly come to page 37 also, my lord. Page 37, my lord. Advocate for petitioner filed memo suggesting the name of the court commissioner. Accordingly, so and so is appointed as court commissioner. After this, my lord, one third party, my lord, files an application before the magistrate saying, my lord, that he's an objector. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord, page 40, my lord. That's the impugned order. The magistrate, my lord, has kept this order in abeyance, my lord. Lord, till disposal of the application filed by the objector.
Where is that person? Is he made a party to this writ petition?
No, my lord. My lord, in fact, my lord, your lordship may kindly see, my lord, there is a judgment of this.
No, that is true. That is true.
My lord, the magistrate, my lord, cannot go beyond the scope of what has
Correct.
been. Please, my lord.
He has gone.
Please, my lord.
He has gone. That's why you are before this
Please,
court.
please.
So on somebody's application,
Please,
make him a party.
Lord, he is not necessary, my lord. Under section
But
14, my
not-
lord, in fact, the borrower
You
is
are
also not a
arguing
necessary party.
on the merits of the matter.
Please.
No, basing on somebody's application, this order is passed,
Please.
right or wrong, that this court will decide. But he is a necessary party to this writ petition.
My lord, but under section 14, my lord, it would not be necessary. is my
Once he
humble
comes before the court, that order will pass. But principles of natural justice,
Lord,
there
but
is an order in
may I
his
just show
favor.
one judgment, my lord?
I understand that he
Please.
is not a necessary party, right or wrong, or at somebody's behest, an order is passed.
Please.
Is he not a necessary party to this writ petition?
My lord, but under section 14, it would not
Again,
be
you
necessary.
don't go back to that. The petitioner shall make the third party on whose application the order impugned is passed as a party respondent to this writ petition.
Please.
Yes.
Obliged.
Shalom. 19. In JN. 19.
My lords, may be taken about 2 weeks, my lords.
Why?
Senior.
No, 2 weeks. It comes up on 10/12, list this after winter vacation. What is the writ petition? That day also you sought for time. Quashing the notice dated 17/10/2025. Which is the bank?
The finance company. With one.
Who appears for the Pyramid Finance?
Firmal finance.
Any counsel? The land counsel, the issue notice to the respondent. Land counsel for the petitioner shall take out hand summons on the first respondent and shall file a memo to that effect by 20th of February, or else a writ petition shall stand dismissed without further reference to the court. Next.
Number 20. Suman Nagaland.
In this case,
What are your instructions?
the instructions, I think, kindly pass over the matters on at 2:30 p.m. Because the concerned ACITC, I do not able to.
2:30, I have a full bench. How, you know that.
But
How can
in
it-
this,
how can it be
in this
passed
case,
over?
I would like to bring the, in crime number 143, there is already charge sheet is filed in special CC number 926/2024. But here they are afraid to requested to release the seized vehicle.
No, that's not correct.
The issue is, you have kept these vehicles in a premises which is,
Yes.
which they have taken possession.
Yes,
You have to remove it. So they are not concerned what happened It is for you to keep your things where you are supposed to.
Lord,
That's a
with
simple thing. Yes.
6 months' time, Lord, as per Supreme Court's judgment, 6 months is the time within which they have to do something about these seized vehicles. There are more than 150 cars which are parked and they are deteriorating. It is their property. I have nothing to do with it, but it's in the premises. I have made 7 attempts to sell the premises because these cars are there. I am not able to do anything.
When did you take possession of the property?
Lord, I have taken possession 2 years back, Lord.
And from 2 years, you have been waiting for them to remove it.
Lord, yes, I've been waiting to for them to remove. I have given multiple representation. One of the representation I produced at page 103.
We'll have it on, this matter as part heard on 13th of February. By that time, if necessary the instructions are not obtained with the AGA,
Yes.
the court will be compelled to pass orders.
In the meanwhile, they can possibly, my Lord, make some effort to do something about their own asset.
If they don't do, we will make them do on that day. Yes.
Cell number 21 for admission, Prithvi Vadiyar for petitioner, Sharat Gowda.
For the respondent number 1.
I have for petition.
I seek for a short adjournment.
Yesterday, the matter comes. It is asked that it is stated that the senior is on legs. Why should you ask for adjournment now?
I need to file the statement of objections.
What objections? Simple issue is whether notice is served on them or not. Is it served or not served? If it is not served, I'll set aside that order. Simple as that.
Grateful.
We'll set aside that order.
No, my lords. After 1 week, I will address the arguments. Kindly
No
grant me
arguments
one
are required, whether notice is served or not. Without survey, without notice to the respondent, who is a contesting respondent, we can't pass any orders.
Based on their statement itself, the interim
Whose
order was-
statement?
Respondent number 2.
He is respondent
He was the
number 3.
original owner.
He is the respondent number 3. He is the one who is, injunction you sought is against defendant number 2 and 3.
Purchases.
Defendant number 2 and 3, you sought injunction.
Yes, my lords.
He represents 3. 2 was before the court. An order is passed without notice to 3, then an order need to be set aside. Then let them contest. We will let it go before the court, which is having the roster.
Yes,
Only
my lord.
simple. You call your senior. Yes. Passover. Passover is now itself, before 12:30. Yes, next.
22,
Hearing to the respondent, my
Fazil
lord, my
Ahmad.
name may be shown because I filed NOC Wakalat, my lord.
yeah, Khudam.
Yes. My lord, they've challenged the physical possession that we have taken on the basis of a subsequent sale deed, my lord. We are in possession of a prior mortgage and prior sale deed, my lord. I'm producing the mortgage deed, my lord. This is, so therefore they have to approach the appropriate forum.
Directing the respondent bank to
break open the law.
to break open the sale affixed on the petitioner's scheduled property. When did you purchase the property?
Your lordship, counsel on record is not keeping well. Like short adjournment may be given.
Take it up next week. You file it in, you're
And-
serving the copies on them. This is a
yes.
matter on 13.
And IA for extension has already been in our favor, which needs to be extended, sorry.
IA number?
IA for a stay, we have got it in our favor, which need to be extended,
Granted.
Not to
Is it-
create third party
is
rights.
it
There is an
extended?
interim
not to
order.
alienate.
Interim order earlier granted is extended till the next date of hearing. Yes, it will come
I'll
out
file this.
by the time the learned counsel for the respondent shall file the
2
objection.
weeks time may be granted, sorry.
No, 2 weeks,
13 to
only 1 week. Yes.
Grateful.
Much obliged.
cell number 23, Sridhar K for petitioner, yes, Lakshmi Narayan.
On last occasion, my lord directed to furnish statement, my lord, they are not yet furnished. I'm ready to make offer if at
There
all.
is no representation on behalf of the petitioners on the last occasion.
Please, my lord.
Uh.
Earlier to that, my lord, they said they will furnish the statement, my lord.
Where did they say? Nothing.
On my lord, 23/10/25, the petitioner shall approach the bank and the bank shall
It's a
furnish.
principal amount borrowed upon in the notification, the province of the cannot be invoked and council submitted with interest. Now the amount is. Petitioner submit that is ready to pay the amount, but the bank is not coming up with. The petitioner shall approach the bank.
We
by
have
3/11/2025.
approached, my lord, they have not furnished that, my lord.
Who appears to the bank? Why the council is? Who is the counsel? S. Lakshmi Narayana.
Lakshmi Narayan for Kavita respondent.
I think he's appearing for Pirimal Housing Co. Limited.
Yes.
Where is he? No representation on behalf of the, you have an interim order?
Please, my lord.
No representation on behalf of the, then that interim order is not extended on the last occasion.
Last date, I was not keeping well, my lord. I was
So
not.
what to do? What to do? When you are not there, it will not be extended.
My lord, my only prayer is kindly.
9/12, you don't have an interim order till now. From the last 1.5 months, you don't have an interim order in your favor.
I moved the matter to this thing, my lord, but that matter has not came.
No representation on behalf of the respondent. Interim order granted on so and so. They look at the first date on so and so is extended. Is extended until till the next date of hearing. List in the month of April.
Obliged.
Cell number 24.
Appearing for the
KP.
respondent bank, my lord, they have made payment of 5 lakhs and they have filed an affidavit, my lord, but they have sought 6 months' time.
Yes.
Now, may kindly see the previous order, my lord, where
Yes.
the 29, 10 and 17.
This is matter on 17/11. By the time if an amount of 5,000 is paid to the bank and an undertaking that the remaining outstanding amount will be paid within 4 months, then this court will consider the case. How can you say now it is 6 months when the court itself said 4 months?
That's some financial is there, that's why.
What is outstanding?
My lord, outstanding now is 28 lakhs 96,500. We've appropriated that amount, my lord. It was earlier some 31 lakhs. Now we've appropriated 28 lakhs 96,500.
Whatever it is.
Yes,
Whatever is outstanding.
Yes, my lord. Let be a
you-
staggered payment, my lord, and then if any one installment is not paid.
Not you are at liberty to.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The present writ petition is filed. Seeking the following prayer. When this matter came up before this court on (29/10/2025), this court has passed an order observing that when counsel for the petitioner submits that they are ready to pay the entire amount, then this court had directed the petitioner to come up with an affidavit mentioning the timeline when they're going to pay the amount. When the matter came up on 4/11/2025, another order is passed directing the matter to be listed on 17/11/2025. And it is observed that by that time, if an amount of rupees 5 lakh is paid to the bank and an undertaking that the remaining outstanding amount will be paid within 4 months, then this court will consider the case of the petitioner and will pass appropriate orders. When the matter came up today, land counsel for the petitioner submits that as per the order passed by this court, they have paid the amount of 5 lakhs and also they have filed an undertaking before this court that they need 6 months of time to clear the entire balance amount. Land counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that when in the order, this court has clearly observed that within 4 months, they should, the affidavit shall be, they shall file an affidavit stating that they'll pay the entire arrears within 4 months. Now they're seeking 6 months. It is further submitted that if the petitioner fails to pay the amount, the amount may be paid within installments, and even within the how much you said is the amount?
My lord, the 28 lakhs 96,500.
28 lakhs?
96,500.
96,500. It comes to how much per, if it is in 6 months?
4 lakh and died.
Huh?
4 lakh and
4 lakhs.
4 lakh and died.
4 lakh?
Yes,
Lakh-
ma'am. 4
4 lakh
lakhs
80.
85.
4 lakh?
80,000.
80?
83,009,
83,000?
83,000.
83,000. So, if in this 6 months, on a particular day, whatever day you say, by the time you pay this amount, at any installment, if you fail to pay,
No, ma'am.
they'll be at liberty
No,
to.
that's not, I want to sell my property. One property is there in Shumoga. But once the sell, I will, the entire amount paid by.
We can't wait like
That's
that.
why I seeking 6 months now.
No, what will happen after 6 months? No, the 6 months time will be
Already-
given to you. If you
already-
don't pay, again, it comes to square one.
No, ma'am. Already I was taking some person to see the property and ready to sell.
But generally, that's not the way how we grant the orders.
Within 6 months, I will pay
No,
entire
it is
amount.
like,
madam.
might be that your client wants to seek time for 6 months, this manner. Anyhow, on that till 6 months, no coercive steps, again, the bank portion is taken.
No, my lord, it's a
No, no.
possession notice. Possession
Possession
notice under 13(4), not physical possession. They can go to DRT, my lord, if that is the case. If they're not ready, then it is to be alternate remedy.
Either,
after
please
review.
tell your client, either it has to be installments, but not this manner, we can't pass. I'll take up this matter next week, please get instructed.
Much obliged.
Delete all that. Then council has filed, an affidavit is filed on behalf of the petitioner, undertaking affidavit stating that they'll pay the amount. They require 6 months' time to pay the amount. Land council for the respondent bank submits that they shall pay the amount within 6 months by an equal installments. Land council, the petitioner shall get specific instruction in this regard. List on 13th. Yes, next.
My lord, my objection relating to the timeline, my lord, 4 months that may be recorded.
It is submitted that as per the affidavit, it is stated that they will pay within 4 months. In the affidavit, now they are seeking 6 months.
Yes.
Yes, 25.
Till number 25, Abhishek
Waiting for
Malia.
petitioner council. Kindly have next week, any day next week, my lords.
You have an interim order?
No, my lords.
Yes, same next week, 13th.
Please.
13.
Yes,
My
27.
lords, other than 12 and 13, my lords, other than February 12 and 13.
Till number 26,
List this matter on 20th.
Please, please.
Till number 26, adjourned. 27.
27, I am appearing for the respondent, my lord.
Yes.
I have filed my objection statement.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner on 8/12/2025. Even there is no representation.
I appear for the Nandish Patil. Kindly delete our name in the cost.
In which matter?
Same matters.
Mohan.
Yes, I have filed my wakalat for respondent. His name.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Counsel for the respondents present. List this matter for dismissal next week.
Kindly delete our name. Kindly delete our name, Nandish Patil.
Delete the name of Mr. Nandish Patil. This
Week after next, my lord.
Yes, next.
Till number 28.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I was the highest bidder, my lord, in an e-auction.
Let
My
us
lord,
see the relief you are seeking first.
My lord, what they have done is
No,
they,
no, come to the prayer. I would like to see the prayer first.
my lord, challenging annexure K, my lord.
Direction quashing the communication dated issued by the second respondent, forfeiting the petitioner's deposit to refund 8 lakhs. Direction holding that auction sale conducted in respect of there is a null and void and not binding on the petitioner. You are a?
I am the highest bidder. My lord, the property, my lord, there is some misrepresentation, my lord, in the advertisement. They said there is no encumbrance. Now I find that, my lord, it is encumbered as per the EC. Second thing is, my lord, to transfer this property and register it in my name, e-khata is required. This property doesn't have e-khata. My lord, I cannot, they cannot convey that property in my favor. That is the difficulty. I was willing, my lord, to deposit the entire amount, and my lord, they could not convey that property in my favor. Now they say that your deposit is forfeited.
No, before conveying the property, there is a timeline as per the rules.
Yes.
When the earnest money to be paid, when the 25% to be paid, when the remaining amount to be paid. What
My
is
lord,
that
I
timeline?
deposited 25%.
25%, when did you deposit?
My lord, I deposited it on, my lord, your lordship gets it at. My lord, even initially, my lord, EMD I paid, then my lord, I deposited it on 25%, your lordship gets it at page 37, page 37.
Hmm.
That is their email, my lord, they acknowledge that.
Hmm.
My lord, your lordship gets it at the bottom, my lord, penultimate paragraph.
Hmm.
Your bid of 32 lakhs
Hmm.
was the highest bid in the e-auction conducted on and accepted by the bank on the terms and conditions mentioned in notice so and so.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, the sale intimation letter dated so and so, as per the terms of e-auction forwarded wide so and so. As per the terms and conditions of sale, the sale intimation letter dated so and so. Then, my lord, 38, second paragraph. You have paid balance of 15% of the bid amount, that is 5.1 lakhs on 30th/10/2024, and have, as per the letter wide email dated to so and so, requested for extension of period for payment of balance of 75% of the sale proceeds on or before so and so, which is under consideration of the competent authority. However, as per email dated so and so, you have informed that e-khata is not there, and without the same, registration is not possible. Another transaction is visible in 2017 as per the encumbrance certificate. MODT is not registered.
What do you say?
My lord, MODT not registered, that is not compulsory. Deposit but title dates.
No, it is not about registration. It is about whether the property is free of encumbrance. No,
No, free of encumbrance.
It is not free of encumbrance.
that is the whole issue. But how can you sell a property where it's already sold to somebody else?
No, where it is sold to
Year
somebody else.
2017, there is a
No.
sale.
No, my lord, then your lordship may kindly give 1 week time, I file the objection. In fact, this property was sold again and that sale certificate issued and that entire thing has been over now. Because these are all the things, my lord, these are all things that the.
File your objection.
Now,
you file your objection.
reason is, my lord, that our reason is,
Land Council,
she
the
requested for.
respondent shall file the objections by the
Yes,
next
my
date
lord.
of hearing.
1
Is
week.
this matter on 13?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, next.
Ordered matter cell number 29, date record 30, for petitioner Prasanna Kumar P.
Appearing for petition.
And for the respondent.
Yes.
Lords, may I request this court, my lords, have it in the next week, my lords. Some difficulty today, my lords.
Why every time there is
Lords,
difficulty to you?
My lords, my lords, difficulty is, my lords, the file has, my lords, not been.
Huh?
File has been, my lords.
No, there is nothing to do with your file now. It is
Sincere.
only with regard to the amount.
Yes, my lords, to that extent, my lords, lordship have, my lords, already.
Yes,
the matter in
13th.
detail.
One submission, my lord.
Huh?
On last occasion.
Yesterday you sought time, today you is
No,
seeking time.
One submission, what I'm intended to make is, my lord, on last occasion, my lord, when the matter was taken in the chambers, my lord, my client has made a demand of for 3 crores permanent alimony, and they came up for one year, my lord. Now, my lord, my client has come down for 2 crores, my lord, for permanent alimony for both the child as well as herself, my lord. That I'm putting through your lordship's, my lord, to the respondent.
What is that? What is the proposal now?
Now, my lord, earlier it was 3 crores, my lord. Now, for both the wife and the child, my lord, 2 crores, my lord, we are.
He doesn't have to take care of the child. That's a full and final settlement.
Yes, my lord.
What he was saying is, last time your client, that he'll take care of the entire education expenses, and what he was doing to the elder one, the same thing he'll do for this also.
Yes.
Now, all the educational expenses and all, now how old is he now, the younger one?
11 years.
11 years.
11 years. So it all takes a lot of expenditure. He says that now the elder one is studying abroad and all.
Yes.
So in those circumstances, now they have come up with as a one-time settlement
please.
One for the child, one for the mother. Put it to your client.
Yes.
This matter next week. It'll learn counsel for the petitioner, submitted that. The mother, the petitioner is ready for a settlement. That is as a full and final settlement towards permanent alimony for her as 1 lakh and for the child.
1 crore.
1 crore and for the child another 1 crore. Then counsel the respondent shall get specific in the instructions in this regard. Last occasion, the father as the respondent has submitted that he will take care of the entire educational expenses and other expenses of the younger child and also will give the same standard of living and education as he has provided to the elder one. Considering the present the offer that is with the proposal that the petitioner is coming forward, the respondent shall get specific instructions. Next week, 13th, no adjournment.
Yes, yes. I will.
If it is adjourned, I will delete from part heard.
No, my lords, I will make sure, my lords.
Yes.
Concluded.
Next.
Great.
Huh? No, that's for 13 only. That's why all these matters on 13th only, because I will not be sitting on 6th.
13 2. Cell number 30. Cell
Yes,
number
30.
Girish
Give that,
Shadje.
what is it? No representation for dismissal on 13th.
Cell number 31 adjourned. 32.
Yes, 32.
The respondent.
32 is not your matter, Mr. Vignesh Shetty.
32.
A common order has been questioned by me as well as the other side. The Honorable Trial Court has.
You appear for whom?
I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Who is
First petition.
mother?
Father.
Father. Mm.
And the child was with father
Mm.
before we have approached this Honorable Court. So, what has happened, my lord? I'll just give a concise of the matter. And then I'll take to the impugned order. The father used to take care from 2.5 years, the child. And
When they are separated?
2000. The child was 2.5 years.
Year.
2019.
2019, there's, at that time, the boy is
With
two
the
and a half years old.
2.5 years, no, and from 2.5 years, the actual age is now he must be.
He must be 7, 8 years old by this time.
Yes. Just want to give a brief of the matter. Father used to take care of the child.
So for that, we need to know when was the separation, what was the age, what was the father.
2019 onwards, they are separated.
Separated.
They are separated.
So from after separation, the boy is staying along with the father.
With the father. They have produced records. I will submit.
When was the GNWC filed?
That was filed in 2025.
By the?
By both. Mother and father. The
Two GNWCs are
The
filed.
reason I will submit, my lord. Father used to take care from Monday to Friday. Saturday, mother used to pick up and drop it by Sunday evening. One day, what she did suddenly, she has created a passport. She's given a wrong letters to the school that we are moving to Dubai, and she took the child and she ran away to Dubai. I have filed a habeas corpus orders before this honorable court. The court has issued notice because I produced records to show every day father is signing the records of the school, and the court was convinced. And in the habeas corpus, court gave a direction for the mother to bring the child back. She was made to bring it back, and the court said that father will be given the custody because it's a minor child. You go and exercise your right before the family court and file a GNWC. That's what the court said.
No, what was the order in the habeas corpus?
Habeas corpus, they gave me Saturday morning to Sunday night, full custody. From the last 2 days, that is Saturday, Sunday, full custody was given to, because the child is a minor. And it is studying in Frank Anthony School now. She has made a forged document before the passport authority. There's a complaint. She has already done a forgery before the school stating they are moving to Dubai. That letter is also before the court, which was.
That is, she has given a letter as if it is given by the father.
Both father's signature she has done. That is a part of the record. She signed father's signature. It is a forgery.
Because he was taking care of the affairs of the school. He was the one who was.
He was the one who was taking care. She was only going around Dubai with her boyfriend. This was also part of her record. It's not an allegation. I have records to show that her character was also I can demonstrate. Her brother, she is having two brothers. One is Kevin and one is Lawrence. They are involved in all drug dealings. I have all the documents before this court to show how the child is living in a toxic atmosphere. Now, we went before the family court. Family court heard the matter. Even on the date of hearing, the brother was available in the court threatening the client, the petitioner, that if at all you get the custody, I'll kill you. They are involved in a lot of drugs. There's a kidnapping, there's a rape case against the brother. I have produced everything in the record. The child is left with the brother and she goes to Dubai. Now, because the court has granted, the family court has granted me Saturday 7 to 11, 10 to 7, Sunday 10 to 7. Overnight custody is not there. So what she is doing, Monday to Friday, she goes off to Dubai or somewhere. Even if her passport is called for, I am producing also the school records that the child is absented so many times because she is not taking care of the child. It is only a question of ego here. Father was taking very good care of the child. The court thought it's a minor child, let the mother take care of that. Mother is not interested in looking after the child. But
What is the impugned order now?
Impugned order is only giving me custody from 10 to 7 and next day, Saturday and Sunday, 10 to 7. And for getting that custody, I filed a contempt also now before the trial court because she didn't give me custody 1 weekend. She has gone to Dubai. Her passport is called for. All entries are there. How many times she has gone to Thailand? How many times she has gone to Dubai? She keeps on traveling with the boyfriend. What happens to the fate of the child? I will produce the records to show that how many days the child is absent. The father, when he was taking care, I have produced a record before the trial court. Every day, father is signing the records. Even after bringing all this into court's knowledge, court has given the custody to the mother. I have no problem. Let the child be with mother. Let her send the child to school on time. She is not sending. What happens if a child is living in a toxic atmosphere like that? Where the brothers, they are drug addicts, they are into all type of ganja, they have been arrested. I have records where even there is a complaint against the respondent by the brother that she is extorting money from me by the brothers. There is a letter by his advocate that also I am producing before the court. He is involved in all the criminal activities. The child is left with the brother and she goes with the boyfriend.
Last.
If the passport is called for, because that's the only way I can prove it. All of the records I'm producing where I have booked her a forgery because she forged the document before passport authority and made the passport and flew down. If at all this honorable court was not convinced in habeas corpus, I would not have got the child back. In fact, the central government was also involved. They were ready. The central government standing council was given a notice to intimate them that their visas will be cancelled. Then she appeared on VC and the court said that you cannot sit there, you please come back because the child lost 2 months for what she did. She couldn't get the TC here. She went to Dubai and she admitted the child there without TC. The court said this cannot be accepted. Frank Anthony is one of the best schools where the child was studying very well. And now I will produce attendance register. Every month, 10 to 15 days holidays. Because she's always going out and coming.
She'll take the child also.
Child will be left out here. Because she has to give me Saturday, Sunday visitation. So she won't take. She leave the child with the brothers who are involved in all these things.
We'll ask her. Yes.
Your Lordship, my respectful submission would be that the father, he's an alcoholic, a chain smoker, and he solicits prostitutes on Tinder and another dating app. And the the respondent herein has proof to establish that he is soliciting the services of prostitutes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, merely because the child at present is being taken care of the mother, and most of the lifetime of the child has been with the mother, Your Lordship. And it is only for a short period of time the report cards were signed by the petitioner husband. But most of the time the child has been with the mother. In fact, the child does not like going to the father because he's abusive. He's aggressive, abusive, and the fact that a forgery case was filed against her, B report has been filed, Your Lordship. And with respect to the brothers, they don't stay with her. The brothers against whom criminal cases have been filed, those are also false cases.
Why the child is not sent to the school?
That I will have to seek instructions. I was not aware.
Also
of
place
this.
her passport also before the court.
Please, Your Lordship, I'll bring the
A
passport also.
Copy of the passport.
And the fact that she went to Thailand, they're making all wild
It's
false
okay,
allegations.
she can go. Not if he is not sent, that means the mother is not doing her duty. The land council appearing for the father submits that the mother is not properly taking care of the child. The child is absent to the school at least 10 to 15 days in a month. The mother is leaving the child to her brothers on whom criminal cases are registered under the NDPS Act. It is submitted that the court, without considering all this, has granted the custody to the, has granted only 2 days to the father and the custody to the remaining days custody to the mother. It is submitted that the child's future welfare is at stake and peril at the hands of the mother. Next para, land council, it is, in the same para, it is submitted with the land council to the petitioner that if the passport of the mother is placed before the court, is called for, it would reveal that how many times in a month she is traveling and how she is neglecting the child. Next para. Land council appearing for the respondent mother submits that father is alcoholic, is very abusive, and is indulged in activities of prostitution. It is submitted that the child is not at all interested to go to the father, and he has filed false complaints against the mother that she has forged his signature. In fact, in that case, a B report is filed by the police. Next paragraph. Concerning the submissions.
FIR is done, and they have gone before the Honorable High Court for 482 petition and taken a stay. It is not.
She says that is what is our submission. B report is filed.
I have been instructed that B report,
is filed, which is disputed by the learned counsel appearing for the father. Considering the submission of both the counsels and also considering the welfare of the minor child this court deems it appropriate to pass the following order. The land counsel appearing for the mother shall get specific instruction with regard to the child's attendance to the school, and also shall place the passport of the mother before this court to ascertain the fact that whether, as stated by the counsel for the husband, that she is frequently traveling out of country and not taking care of the child. List this matter on 13th.
Obliged.
Along with her passport, let her produce the child also. She has taken twice the child during the working days itself.
The child shall also be, considering the submission that the child is not interested to meet the father, this court would like to interact with the child. Let the child be brought to the court on that day.
Child is with father today. Enjoying. Child is with father today because today is
Saturday.
Enjoying with the father. Your Lordship should see the child.
We'll keep the child present.
Cell number 33.
If both are doing this, that is like, no, ultimately it is so unfortunate. It is unfortunate for the child that he has this kind of parents.
He safe with father going regularly to school. After the court is, after she took him in.
But but the court will ensure that his welfare is taken care of. Yes, yes. This is matter as part, it is already parted. Yes.
Obliged.
33.
Yes.
Dinesh Shetty.
Lord, may I make a small request? Lord? Council is traveling, so Lokesh is not in station today. He will be taken up on Monday.
Why is he not filing the objections in spite of an order by the court?
Lord, I'm.
Where is it? It is filed, look at it, objections are
Lord,
filed.
I do not have the copy.
He's filed his objection only on the maiden legal petition. His honorable alleged demonstrate a case, the execution is pending. The same case wherein the bank himself purchased the property, but all the
What is the submission with regard to that? Whether the bank can be a purchaser?
one word about that, not the allegation which I made or not the submission which I made to some court. Except
Then he'll be doing it at his own risk. If he has not adverted to the allegations that are made in the petition, then what should follow? That means he has admitted the remaining. That your averments in the petition saying that it is not, the bank has no right to purchase the property is accepted. So let's not make him to. No, I'm not passing any order.
Short adjournment.
Yes, I'm adjourning the matter. But I'm saying if he is not filing if the land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that, this court has directed the respondent to file the objection. It is a specific case of the petitioner that the bank cannot purchase the property which is mortgaged to them as per banking section 8, section 1, section 8 of the Banking Regulation Act. It is a contention that now objections are filed only on the maintainability of the petition, but nothing has been stated with regard to the other averments, allegations that are made by the petitioner.
except alternative.
The land counsel appearing for the land counsel representing the counsel for the respondent submits that the counsel is traveling and seeks for an adjournment. Next para. If the bank is not inclined to file any objections is not inclined to file the objection, and their objections are only on the maintainability, then considering the said objections which are on record, the court will be constrained to pass orders. This is matter on 30.
Pass over cell number 21. Supreme ODF.
Yeah. 31. It's already morning itself is done. Interim order is also extended. Yes. Yes.
Lords, this serial number, this review petition, my lords. Lords, I must have to say this, my lords. They are trying to play fraud upon the court. The matter was argued. Thereafter, your lordship was inclined to allow my appeal, reversing the judgment of the trial court. They themselves come on record, file a memo saying that your lordship need not pass any order. They are undertaking not to alienate. Then in spite of it, your lordship records both the submissions of the appellant as well as the respondents. And
no, before all that,
my lords, I'll answer this.
Defendant number 3 is served or
my lords, these same counsel represents for all these defendants. In fact, common written statement is filed by defendant number 2 and 3. Correct. My lords, defendant number 2 and 3 file common written statement.
So a counsel. Now, how did the notice go to the defendant number? You have taken hand.
My lords, I have filed a contempt because in spite of your lordship order, defendant number 2, defendant number 1, defendant number 1 is the father.
Are your objections on record?
My lords, we'll file our objection.
File your objection.
File.
Land counsel for this is land counsel for the respondent petition oblique.
I am the appellant. Now the respondents in the
appellant oblique appellant seeks time to file objections. Unless it's matter on 13th.
I file contempt, my lords. In that contempt, they come.
All these facts,
Yes,
get
yes.
it on record.
Now they come and file this
Yes,
review
get it,
petition.
get it on record.
Grateful, my lords.